But they get, what else have they done? Now they just got some cash.
Money coming out of accounts and.
Okay. She says some of this is happening. That money's coming out of the account. Okay, well, this is what I want to happen. I want somebody to take over your finances so that they can't get none of it.
Yeah, well, I got some stuff on that.
Does she know about the stuff you got cooking on that?
Not right now.
Okay, well, let me tell you what I've done for other patients. Okay.
I know you had some.
No, but she came to see me and talk to me.
I understand, but you know.
Oh yeah. But the thing is, again, when I left over here with your son and your daughter, and you said, well, they wrong. I'm going, well, he just kind of paranoid. That's his son and daughter. They're not gonna do nothing wrong. Well, maybe they are doing something wrong. She said, you ain't crazy.
I don't. I came defending you.
Well, that's just the income. I'm just saying you are. There's some truth in what you say.
Yeah,
she said some truth in what you say, that you're not paranoid.
No.
So this is what I've done for other patients. I'm asking if you think it's a good idea. I don't know what you got cooking, but what I have done for other patients is I have written letters saying that I don't want you signing papers. I don't want you responsible for what you sign, because if these people can put something in front of you and tell you it's one thing and you sign it and it's really something else, then you just got.
Yeah.
But if it's got no signature on it, then they'll hold up in court and you just got. What I've done for other patients is I have written a letter saying patient Smith does not have the mental capabilities to make legal decisions and is not able to enter into legal contracts. Okay? And then you pick somebody, hint, hint, to be your power of attorney. And say, and what happens is, if somebody tell you, well, sign this check for this, sign this piece of paper, and it's just for me to go get some groceries, and you sign a check, and it's going to take your car or take out a mortgage on your house, it's in court. It's gonna be good. The judge gonna say, well, this is a legal document.
And we saw that. You saw how they did.
It's gonna be a legal document, and it's gonna be you'll be SOL, shit out of luck.
Yeah.
But if we put the plan in place so that your signature will not hold up in court, but it has to be co-signed with her or your chosen person, that protects you from getting in trouble and losing something because you didn't read all of it. And somebody told you something that wasn't true. Okay? I've had people, they call an old lady on the phone and get them to agree to something, and then they done signed up to get some credit card stuff done, put on their credit card every month for so long. But I had that revoked but it took a lot of work, but with my help and with the sons and daughters' help, they got that lien off the house.
And the people that know you.
Yeah, the people that know you. They help protect that, and then she got out of that contract. But that was a lot of paperwork for the person that was helping her. If we do it ahead of time, then you can't enter any contracts without her advice or your chosen one's advice.
I'm sure one.
Well, I was so glad she came to tell me that, because I would be thinking that, just like sometimes you get messed up on what year it is or what's going on. I said, maybe he's getting mixed up on these facts.
No,
she ain't getting messed up on the facts. And I said, well, look, we need to protect him before something happens. Because they would get you to sign something, and then you got a lien on your house or some crap, and they got some cash and gone.
Yeah.
So I can help you protect that from happening, prevent that from happening. If I write and we get notarized that you're not capable of entering into legal contracts, then they can get it signed all they want to. But today it's notarized that your signature don't mean nothing without her okay. or your chosen one, whoever that may be. She came upon herself because she was worried that, I was thinking this was your sister or something. It's just your friend who's been looking after you for all this time. Because, she's so concerned. She comes up here to talk to me about you. What's your sister? What are you? And just this lifelong friend.
Mm-hmm.
Got no dog in the fight. She just looking out for you.
Don't get a penny out of it. Don't want.
She just looking out for you. And I believe that, but you gotta, because I believe what the damn son and daughter said. I understand that. I understand that.
I believe him.
I understand that. And she said she has seen it. So before they get another dime, crooked, that you didn't want them to have, let's talk about getting papers signed that say you're not capable of entering into legal contracts.
Nobody really is upset in a sense.
Nobody what?
Nobody in that take and stuff in. Cause I gotta look at those. I got a thing in here where the other, the other doctor like me. What you? I wouldn't.
Okay. So what does other doctor do?
He just don't like black folks really in a sense.
Okay. Let's
in my category.
Let's just hope that's not true. I would hate to think there's another doctor out there. I know there's people out there that do, but I just want to believe my profession is an honorable profession. I want to believe that. I know it ain't always the truth, but today, right now, let's just stay focused on this because I got an appointment I got to go to.
Go ahead.
Listen, I want to offer you the assistance and the advice to get your affairs in order so that nobody can take advantage of you. And what I would suggest you do is to get a durable power of attorney. Assign somebody with a notary. You assign somebody your legal assign legal actions to somebody else. Okay. It has to be somebody that you trust. And then you have to run everything by them before you sign it for it to be legal in court.
Now, I have this doable medical power of attorney.
You got the medical.
I got the medical, yeah.
Okay, but we're talking about we need to take the bank account out of your name, or what I would recommend is, you have enough money in your bank account to live out of, but you don't want them to be able to take you down there to draw out your money. And sometimes you get confused, Mr. Foley, and we've talked about this, and I told you I was concerned about it. The VA has done other testing to do more than the test that I did. They did more extensive tests, and they came to the same conclusion. That sometimes you get forgetful, sometimes you make bad judgment.
Bad judgment.
You told me it was the wrong year. You told me. So sometimes your mind play tricks on you. We don't want them to catch you with your mind playing tricks and you sign a piece of paper to put a lien on your house or take your car, some other bullshit.
Well, that's kind of what his name? Your partner. Because he wanted to run some people through my house and stuff, and that's all. I ain't have.
I ain't had no partner sitting. I ain't seen no partner to you.
Yeah.
I ain't got no partner running into your house doing nothing. That ain't my partner.
I understand that.
Okay.
But that's what he was saying.
Well, okay.
And I told him it wasn't gonna happen.
Okay, well, somebody using my name in vain because I ain't referring nobody to you.
No, it wasn't you.
Okay,
it was him.
Okay. But I'm saying, if somebody, one of these sons or daughters got some thousands of dollars out of you and you didn't intend for it, they're gonna come back again.
Well, what's gonna do with this? What is the last one they got?
Huh?
If they got this last one they got, they're gonna have to do something like that.
Well, we don't want them to do nothing like that.
Well, see,
we don't want them to do anything like that.
I understand what
she knows the situation. What do you suggest we do?
I just want protection on him so they can't keep taking advantage of him.
Well, they ain't really taking advantage because I ain't giving money.
Yeah.
But it has happened already.
Yeah.
It's a little bit money they talking about.
Okay, but they come back. Okay, a little adds up.
Yeah.
They shouldn't get anything you don't want them to have. That's messed up that they will take advantage of you. That's messed up for somebody to do that they dead.
Well, I'm in kind of in predicament now because now I had some land that I had gave each one something on the land. So I'm taking all of that. I'm taking all of that back.
Okay. I want somebody to walk with you through this legal process.
Okay.
Okay. I don't trust attorneys.
Boy, you shit. Well, see, if it wasn't for
I don't
you,
trust all attorneys. Let's put it that way.
Mhm.
I trust the one I hire because hopefully, but I just have to trust them. You got to trust your doctor. You got to trust your attorney. You got to trust your CPA. Okay. You got to trust your friends and family.
well,
You can pick your friends. You can pick your family.
you shit. No.
Okay, so I want to know: do you want to put in place? I don't want you to be able to. I don't want you signing off on and entering contracts or giving away assets
Mm-hmm. So no.
without somebody looking back over your shoulder and
Mhm.
checking the paperwork and see if that's what you want to do. I don't want somebody to steal from you
No more.
no more. Again, you said they do it. They
told
doing
you.
it for a little money. They could try to do it for a lot of money.
Well, let me see. Go on.
So why don't we put in place, give somebody, put in paper that you are not capable of entering into legal contracts, and put in somebody else's name or somebody else has to co-sign with you.
I got to look at this.
Okay, I need you to think about that. I am comfortable, and I don't need your permission to document. I don't think he's capable of signing legal contracts. Now, I'm gonna do that because I believe it's not good. I can do that because that's within my rights, and that is my medical opinion.
Mm-hmm.
Now, it's up to you to grant those rights to somebody else. I can't do that for you.
Mm-hmm.
But as of today, I'm gonna put in the medical records, I don't think he's capable of signing legal documents. So if it comes back, at least somebody will have something to fight with, saying he wasn't really capable of understanding everything he signed. That's on paper as of today. It's up to you to, it's up to you to not get in that position by putting it in somebody else's name. I don't want anybody to steal your assets.
Maybe you should come to my house. What day was that? Shit, they had my house about this big right here. They had all I do all around the thing.
Okay.
My sister, she wanted to come by and stand and talk to me. And talk. I said, for what? Well, I can talk to you. And, you ain't talking to me was a damn. What you want is what you get. My mama stayed. I had my mama for 11 years. You hear me? Me, just me. She stayed right not that far from me. She wouldn't even come to see. She wouldn't even come to see. And she had took the wash and dry, put it in her house, and wouldn't give it back to my mom.
Really? Okay.
Yeah. And
you know that because that happens sometimes. That happens.
Yeah.
Okay, they do the same thing to you.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
They do the same thing to you.
Yeah. Well, she did it to me. I had to go to the wash and dry.
Okay. All right. So what I need you to do is think about it, and think about not because after the fact, it's kind of hard to go back and retract.
Yeah.
It's possible, but it's a lot of paperwork to get it retracted, and it's a long you be paying. You talking about you be paying some attorneys,
Mm-hmm.
and then they may have already spent the assets. They may have lost the assets, and all you can do is sue them because it wasn't up to them to take it, but it's gone already.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and so that's just
my dad.
that's just a loss that you got to take.
Yeah.
I'm trying to prevent that from happening. I'm suggesting a process
My
so
stepmother
that
did
you
that.
cannot sign any papers like that and keep it from happening. And the other part of that is you can't enter contracts, and if you don't have access to the bank accounts, then you can't go in and take it out. Now that one's kind of, I understand that sounds like a lot, but some kind of way, I want you to protect your assets.
Well, I understand. I appreciate that.
Okay? And I think it's
But
just,
I'm looking real hard. I ain't looking at, I'm looking at people that a lot of people do some talking and ain't done shit.
okay.
But I've been looking at that because it's like my son. When that guy over there, what away with that? You know I don't like him no. You know I don't like him no. He don't like me. I don't
The
like
son?
him. Yeah.
I didn't know that till now.
That's
I didn't know that. I mean, because you didn't Well, I guess I didn't know who to believe when y'all. I remember vividly y'all come because I mean nobody ever comes with you.
Yeah, but you
You
know,
know,
just think.
and then I remember that the daughter calls me and everybody's suspicious. She's not suspicious. Everybody else is suspicious now.
Everybody's suspicious because you know I got some money. If I ain't had no money,
Everybody else,
yes.
and before it leaves your hands, before it leaves and goes to a place where you don't want it to go, I want you to protect it.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
So you talk to her, talk to somebody else that you trust, talk to the judge.
Can't talk to her.
Go talk to the judge.
Yeah, well,
Judge can give you some advice.
yeah, well, I've already talked with Judge Burner.
Yeah, talk to Bernie.
Mm-hmm.
Talk to Judge and get some advice about what to do.
Mhm.
Maybe the three of y'all, but she's the one that can really guide you.
Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm.
That's a good source.
Yeah,
That's a
I was
good
asking about what
resource.
Judge stayed
That's
today.
a good resource.
We passed by there and I
That's a
asked her.
good resource.
You and Judge already talked.
Sit down and talk to her.
Yeah.
When was the last time y'all talked?
About 5 days ago.
Okay.
You just
I'm
got a
gonna call
phone
Bernie.
though, yeah.
I'm gonna call Bernie.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna have Bernie call you over. Y'all go sit down and have a little chit chat.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna call Bernie.
Now that's my
That's
heart.
what I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
That's my heart.
I know it is.
Yeah.
I know she got your back.
You hear me?
I know she got your back.
Mm-hmm.
Now I just met this lady and I believe her. But I know Bernie. I know she got your back. And I'm gonna call her.
Mm-hmm. I'm supposed to go back to what? Other day.
I'm gonna call her.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm gonna have her contact this lady right here. And the three of y'all gonna sit down and have a chitty chat.
Yeah, it's yeah.
I need you to do that.
I'm gonna do it.
Now, now
Who you think I would-
your freaking diabetes is off the chain. There's something going on with your diabetes. Let's talk medicine. Now, that's one thing we're gonna talk to Bernie. Bernie gonna get us advice on all that other stuff.
Okay.
Now, your diabetes. Well, I need some help. Your diabetes is off the freaking
But
chain.
you know why we're here? We're here.
No, I ain't getting about. I'm telling you, because I gotta go. Your diabetes is off.
Mm-hmm.
Let me get your chart.
Well, I'm thankful for you. You know, and you.
I went to the eye doctor and I come over here. You remember the eye doctor you went with me down there?
Mm-hmm.
And I stopped by here and I just said, I need to help my friends. I said, I can't let these people, I can't sit back and watch like they did Miss Hayes. I can't sit back and watch how they did that, you
I
know?
know what it is.
Your diabetes is off the chain.
Off the chain.
It's out of